Hi guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Udupi city with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel at the best price. The Suvarna Sangam is a romantic weekend getaway in Udupi situated on a river island with the Suvarna river on the three sides. This villa offers a garden and a terrace. It also offers free private parking service and room service facilities. The housekeepers here are extremely polite and they serve you with some tasty homemade food as well. The villas here are priced about 4,600 rupees which accommodates approximately 5 guests. And we have also attached the links in our description below. The Paradise Isle Beach Resort is next up on our list. This is a 3-star resort located right at Malpe Beach and it is very famous for its sea viewing air-conditioned rooms. The resort also provides 24-hour front desk, barbecue and bar facilities. They have a beautiful outdoor swimming pool adjoining a kids pool. You can also enjoy the massages at the spa in the resort. This 3-star resort is conveniently located in the city center. The resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 3,500 which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room you select. The White Serenity by Vista Rooms is next up on our list. This is one of the most highly recommended budgeted villas. The villa is extremely accessible to the Delta Beach. The villa comes very well equipped with a television, music system, a kitchen cabinet, a bar and a gaming center. If one would like to host any kind of function here, this villa can accommodate up to 400 people at a time. The villa here is priced at about 5,000 rupees and you can find the links in our description below. The White Lotus Hotel is next up on our list. This is one of the 3-star hotels in Udupi which is about 28 kilometers away from the Mangalore airport. The hotel has an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. It also has 24-hour front desk facilities. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 2,700 rupees going up to 4,500 rupees depending upon the room you select. The Paradise Lagoon Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the 3-star resorts in Udupi. This resort features an infinity pool against the soothing backdrop of the backwaters. This resort is about 8.2 kilometers away from the city center. It has an indoor as well as an outdoor swimming pool. You can also enjoy their massages at the Ayurvedic Spa Center in the resort. They have a number of activities nearby like fishing, a gaming room, a tennis court. This resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 4,000 rupees which goes up to 8,000 rupees depending upon the selection of your room. If you're enjoying our video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. The Sai Sea View Villa is next up on our list. This is one of the holiday apartments in Udupi. This is situated about 1.9 kilometers away from the Malpe Beach. It provides access to a balcony with garden views. The air-conditioned villa consists of 4 bedrooms. You can enjoy an Asian and vegetarian breakfast options available at the villa. The villa also has a beautiful terrace where you can enjoy the sunset in the evenings. The villas here are priced at about 15,000 rupees and you can find the links in our description below. The Malpe Seafront Cottage is next up on our list. This is one of the 3-star budgeted hotels in Udupi. It is about 8 kilometers away from the city center. This cottage offers services and all essential amenities. This cottage has an outdoor swimming pool. It also has spa and sauna services. They also have a gaming center like table tennis, water sports. The cottage has an in-house restaurant and bar as well which provides 24-hour room service. The seafront cottages here are priced at about 2,200 which goes up to 5,500 depending upon your room selection. The next on our list is the Ocean Pearl Hotel. This hotel is about 1 kilometer away from the city center and it is extremely accessible to all the tourist attractions. The hotel provides airport transfers at an additional cost. The hotel also has a fitness center, barbecue facilities as well as a bar. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 3,300 rupees which goes up to 8,600 rupees depending upon the category of your room selection. We have also attached the links in our description below. The Satwa Boat House is next up on our list. The best part about this boat house is that you'd be actually living inside a boat. It offers a private beach area. It also has room service. This boat provides 1 bedroom and a patio. It has an in-house restaurant which also provides an Asian breakfast. This boat house totally has a private entrance where you can enjoy your privacy. The boat house is priced at about 4,000 rupees and we have attached the links in our description below. The last one on our list is the Samanway Boutique Hotel. This is a 3-star hotel located right in the city center of Udupi. Whether you're visiting the city as a tourist or for business, this is an extremely great choice of hotel. The hotel offers spa, sauna and tour desk services. It also has an in-house restaurant and a coffee shop. The hotel also has an option of family rooms. The rooms here are priced at about 2,500 rupees, which goes up to 5,000 rupees depending upon which category of room you select. And to make it easier, we have attached the links in our description below for your direct booking. That's it from us, guys. These are the top best hotels in Udupi city. We hope we've helped you select the best hotel for your stay. This is Divya from Madina Travel signing off. We wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye bye.